What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to keep watching your favorite YouTube videos on your iPhone while multitasking with other apps. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Background play allows videos to continue playing in the mini player over other apps, so you can text, browse or use any other app without interrupting your video. First, make sure you have access to YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium lets you play videos in the background in addition to offering several other benefits, such as ad-free viewing and the ability to download videos for offline watching. To get started, open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon located at the lower right corner of the screen. Then select Settings located at the top right corner. Here, tap on General. Look for the Picture-in-Picture setting and make sure it's enabled. This is what allows videos to continue playing in a small window on top of other apps. Now, when you start playing a video and then exit the YouTube app or switch to another app, your video will automatically shrink to a mini player that floats over your other apps. You can move this mini player around the screen, adjust its size or swipe it away to stop the video. It's a fantastic way to continue watching content while simultaneously using your phone for other tasks. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.